Welcome back. And once again, you are the host. Share your screen, please.
Yep, should be sharing right now.
Okay. Now, what are we going to do? I told you there is a target folder.
Mm-hmm.
Could you please
Target folder. Okay, I see it. Sorry. Yeah.
Yeah, click here.
Yeah, there's empty, nothing.
Empty, there is nothing. So just the right button, click anywhere.
Mm-hmm.
And refresh. Refresh, click on refresh.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, there has a palm dot. No, it doesn't. Still empty.
still empty. Okay, so we can one more time refresh. Refresh.
Still empty.
Still empty. Okay, sometimes it does take a couple of minutes. So maybe we can do it one more time.
Refresh.
Refresh.
It's nothing.
Refresh the project. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Go to project, test automation, right button click. Refresh. You see tests output.
Oh, yes. I see now.
Okay. Now go to index.html. Index.html. Right button click. Right button click.
Okay.
Yeah, this is your report. This is generated by test engine. But this report is not beautiful. So
yeah, very ugly.
Maybe, yeah, maybe your boss may not like it. Okay? In that case, we can also use a plugin keyword. Go to project. Go to project. Okay. Go inside. You see, go inside cucumber options.
Cucumber options. Where's that one? Oh, where's that one?
It is inside the test runner.
I'm sorry.
Test runner. You go to test runner plus, it is in front of you.
Well, test runner, okay.
Yeah. Go inside at the cucumber options. Do you remember inside the cucumber options we put features and
right here.
Yeah. Go up to comma.
Right here.
No.
Line 5.
No, line 6. Go line 6. Go src.
Right.
Okay, comma. Then press enter. Enter. Okay. One more enter. Okay. Fantastic. Go to line number 7. And one more tab button. One more. One more. Okay. Then what we can do, just type plugin equal to, okay, just curly braces.
Oh, curly braces.
Curly braces. Inside curly braces, type HTML small cap colon target.
What is it?
Target. Targets. Target. Yeah. Target. Okay. What we are telling the plugin, it is HTML report, and we tell target, meaning go to target folder. There is a target folder in the project. After target, put slash. After target. slash, then type cucumber dash reports. Cucumber dash reports.
So it's going to create a cucumber dash report.
Yeah, yeah.
HTML file. Okay.
Cucumber dash report, not slash report.
Oh, dash.
Dash
Sorry.
reports.
Okay.
Plural reports.
With the S?
Yes. We are telling inside the target folder, create cucumber dash reports, then slash, and name of the report file will be cucumber dash HTML, cucumber dash HTML dash dash dash, cucumber dash HTML dash report dot HTML.
It's just easier to, instead of
Right.
index.html.
Right,
Okay.
right.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, just run it. It will create a folder, cucumber reports, inside the target folder. And inside the cucumber reports, there will be a file, and name of the file will be cucumber-html-report.html. Run the.
Do you want me to update or save or any of that stuff?
Yeah, you can save it. Just save it. Okay. Then right button, click. Run as test-ng test. Okay, fantastic. Now, you see, inside the target, we don't have anything right now, right? Wait a couple of seconds. It takes like 10 seconds to be created a folder, or you can refresh. Okay, now you see inside target, there is a folder.
Yes.
Okay, inside it, there is a file. Right button, click, right button, click. Then open with.
Oh, sorry. Open with.
top.
Okay.
Browser, web browser. It's a better report. Okay. Right? It's telling what environments, and you can check. Feature is validate login functionality of the application.
It's more beautiful aesthetics. Yeah.
Yes. It's telling how many seconds it took. Okay. Run on what environment, what Java version. Okay. Cucumber, what version we are using, and what Windows system you are operating, telling everything.
Right.
Okay. So just practice once or twice. Maybe
Okay.
next week we can discuss about more advanced level of BDD Cucumber.
Yep.
This is like intermediate level. Okay. And some project managers, they
something at Jimmy John's.
Okay.
You want something?
I'm good. No. Yeah, I'll leave early today. Yeah.
Okay.
Got it. No problem. Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, click on it. Go to SRC test Java. SRC test Java. And yeah, click on functional testing Java. Look, in test-ng, for one test case, every test case you have @test annotation. You see?
Right.
You have @test annotation. This is one test case.
Right.
And for another test case, you have another @test annotation. Right? Now look, you didn't create, go to first test case. You see?
Right.
There are multiple steps, multiple test steps.
Right.
Driver.find element, driver.find element.
Yeah, okay, got it. Yeah, you log in.
Yeah, for 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 steps, you are creating just one test method, and that is login functionality.
Yep.
Right? But in BDD, for each step, you are creating
a method.
Yeah, test method.
Okay.
This is the difference. And another one is in TDD, actually, you are testing the functionality of the web application, whether it is functional or not. But in BDD, we are testing at the end of the testing, actually, whether the application is behaving as expected.
As expected.
As expected. Whether it is behaving as expected. Okay, so TDD is usually being used for unit testing, integration testing, functional testing, end-to-end testing. Okay, but BDD is being used at the end before we call it user acceptance
UAT.
testing.
Okay, got
UAT.
I see.
UAT.
So BDD, you do it all the way at the end before UAT.
Right.
BDD,
right.
you do it all the time.
Right. Right.
Okay.
So BDD is being used because in the user acceptance testing, there might be end client and 3 parties: end client, you, the dev and testing team, and there can be also third party. And client might hire someone expert who can actually look into the UAT testing, whether it is behaving as expected. The software is developed as expected. Okay, so since there is end client, maybe they don't know much about the technology we are being used. They're like test NG. It's really difficult to understand what's going on here, right? But when they look at the now compare the test cases, when they will go to the scenario, they can understand, because the scenario is written in plain English. Plain English. And they are not looking into the test step definition. They are looking at the feature file. And they can read it and they can understand actually what we are doing.
Yeah, even the output when we did that, the target right here.
Right.
You know, it's human readable. You know, this report is human readable. It's easy. I mean, you can trace it and all this.
Yes, anyone can understand it, even he or she is not a technical person. But in test NG, only technical persons can understand what's going on. So that is why BDD Cucumber is being used at the end of the project before accepting the web application.
So really, I mean, you do, it's a mixture, TDD and BDD always. It's not always one or the other.
What is your question?
I mean, it's a mixture of both BDD and TDD always. During the project, you do both.
Yes, it's actually depends. Now, some company might say, we are not going to use test engine. Or in the whole project, we want to use BDD, because BDD also capable to test like unit testing. You can also do unit testing, and you can also do integration testing, and you can do it, no problem at all.
And BDD, okay, Cucumber, okay, got it. Okay.
But if you are using TestNG in the whole project, at the end,
you can convert it.
Yeah, end client, they don't know TestNG. They might they need something what they understand. Okay, so in the project, you can use both. At the same time, you can use only BDD Cucumber. There are many companies are doing now. Why we will do it in TestNG and again in BDD. So it's a time consuming. But at the end client's satisfaction is first priority.
Right.
Right?
Yep.
Clear?
Yep.